We continue with trig. This is the secant x, so it's the reciprocal trig functions. So to do this right here, all I need to do is just go 2 secant x equals -2. Divide both sides by 2, so I get secant x equals -1. Now this is 1 over cos x equals -1 over 1. So I'm just going to rotate everything in here, and then I'm going to end up getting cos x equals -1. And cos x equals -1, just interpolate this from this cosine graph, or you could go to the inner circle, but it's a lot easier to just go to the cos graph and say, okay, -1, right here, the answer for x is pi. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.